Test 1, question 20. A bag contains 8 red marbles, 3 blue marbles, and 4 green marbles. What is the probability Carlos draws a red marble, does not replace it, and then draws another red marble?
Alright, for this problem, we are given that we have a bag with marbles in it, and we need to draw from it and determine the probability of some events. First, we want to note that we have 8 red, 3 blue, and 4 green marbles. If we add this together, we get a total of 15 marbles. Next, we want to know the probability of a specific event. In order to look at the probability, we need to define what probability looks like in terms of algebra. So first off, we write a probability of an event as probability of A. In this case, this is the event A, where P is our probability and A is our event, in this case A. As an example, the probability of getting a red marble in the first time is going to be 8 out of a total of 15. Now if we take a red marble and don't put it back, and then we draw another red marble, we want to consider the probability of red given that we have already drawn a red and we did not replace it. So in that case, we write probability of red, but instead of just closing the parentheses here, we're going to write a bar here for with red written again. This indicates that we're drawing a red given that we have already drawn a red. So this little line here can kind of be thought of as the word given. So red given red is going to be, in this case, 7 out of 14. Now remember that our total has reduced because we didn't replace a marble, and we also didn't replace a red marble. So now we want to look at what is the combined probability of these two events happening. So these two events are what are known as independent events. And that means that we can multiply their probabilities together to determine their combined probability. So the probability that we get red and that we get red given that we've already drawn red. So here we use the sign U for a union, which you can just think of as and. So the probability that we draw red, and in our second drawing we draw red given that we've already drawn red, is written like this, and then that's just the two of them multiplied together. And this is simply 8 over 15 times 7 over 15. Or 7 over 14, I'm sorry. Now before we do this multiplication, this looks nasty, right? I should note that 7 over 14 is the same as 1/2. So we'll go ahead and replace that 7 over 14 with 1/2, and this problem suddenly becomes a lot easier to calculate. So 1/2 of 8 is 4, so we have 4/15, and that is answer choice A.
Thank you for watching this video. These math tutorials are based on the TSI Assessments Secrets study guide by Mometrix. You can find the 2016 version here or the 2020 version, which was updated based on the TSI 2.0 exam. If you would like to reach out to the instructor, you can reach out at the email on screen, or if you have general questions for Del Mar College Veterans Upward Bound, you can reach out at vub@delmar.edu or text or call the number on the screen. Finally, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.